If you've ever felt frustrated trying to sew thin fabrics that stretch, slip, or just refuse to stay in shape, trust me, you're not alone. But don't worry, there's a super simple trick that can make your hems look clean, crisp, and seriously professional. If you sew at home, you already know how annoying it is to roll hem lightweight fabrics, especially when the pattern curves or the piece is pretty wide. Fabrics like silk, chiffon, organza, yeah, they slide everywhere and make your stitches look messy. So here's what you can try. Grab a piece of paper, any paper works. Place your fabric on top, follow the curve of your pattern, and sew one clean line right along that shape. You can adjust the width however you want. Just make sure the stitch is smooth and the curve flows nicely. Then, trim off the extra paper. Flip the fabric together with the paper, smooth out the edge, and add a second stitch to create a clean, stable roll hem. This technique works amazingly well for thin, slippery fabrics. Yeah, it's a little slower, but the result looks way better even compared to using a hemming foot. Once you're done, just peel the paper off gently along the stitch line. Super easy. Premium factories usually use fishbone tape for this, but for us, home sewists, this paper trick is practical, affordable, and still gives you a professional finish from both sides. If this trick helps you, don't forget to like and follow this channel so you won't miss the next sewing tutorials.